the opportunity to also describe this elephant from our own various perspectives, the areas we are seeing. So I'll be talking with respect to the health industry. And I want to say that the health system has continued to grow from strength to strength since the inception of this administration in 2015. And our governor is a health-friendly governor who has, knows that health is everything, that everything affects health, and health affects everything. And a wealthy nation is a healthy nation. So I'll be taking the points one after the other. To say that from the session of this administration in 2015, we conducted a baseline survey of all the health facilities, because when we want to go for a journey, we first of all, assess what you are going to encounter, and we have done that, and all the issues that we are going to encounter, we have already seen them, because we have seen what is on ground and the gaps and the interventions we need to undertake to take our health sector to the desired level. Sooner or later, we were confronted with Lassa fever outbreak, and it's on record that since 2005, our state has been having incessant outbreak of Lassa fever. But in 2016, just about 6 months after the session of his administration, we were challenged, and it's like Daniel has come to judgment. And previously, we used to send samples to Uber Specialist Hospital, but when it happened before him, we constructed and equipped an ultramodern virology center, something that was promised long ago by the federal government, but nothing really happened. So we constructed and equipped an ultramodern virology center in Feta, and all the equipment that we need to use to confirm and manage Lassa fever and all the contagious diseases were installed. And today is like a springboard when we were challenged with the COVID challenge, because we already had all the equipments. And today that virology center is the best in the country and the only one in the southeast. And it has been upgraded to be the center of excellence for contagious disease in Ebonyi State. And we have upgraded the 171 primary health centers in Ebonyi State, because His Excellency, right from the inception, said that primary health center is the prime focus of his administrations in the health sector, because he knows that primary health center is the entry point into the health system. Primary health center is preventive and is rural based, and 70% of our population lives in the rural places. So we have upgraded 171 primary health centers, one in each political ward. And what have we done? We have posted more health staff to the selected ones. We have purchased and distributed one 7.0 kVA generator to all the selected primary health centers. And in each of the local government areas, we also purchased and distributed a tricycle ambulance. This tricycle ambulance is supposed to bring patients from any part of that locality to the health center at any time of the day. And this tricycle ambulance can navigate any part of the road, anywhere, at any time of the day. And we have also installed a drug revolving scheme for all these selected primary health centers, and also procured and distributed basic medical equipment, including sphygmomanometers, stethoscope, weighing scale, examination light, to all these primary health centers. Because previously, if you happen to see any of these gadgets, what they will tell you is that it's provided by the OIC. But today, we have them and all the names of the primary health centers engraved in them. And for the secondary health facility, we have also upgraded 14 general hospitals, one in each local government area. And we have done landscaping of these facilities to have a conducive hospital environment. We have done perimeter fencing to give confidence to the health workers, because previously there have been assaults of even female health workers, even rape cases, because the hospitals were not safe first. We have also established drug revolving scheme for the secondary health facilities. And above all, His Excellency is at the verge of completing and commissioning an ultra-modern, multi-specialty, multidisciplinary King David University of Medical Sciences in Uburu, which is the best of its kind in the West African sub-region. And this hospital will handle every health issue that take people to Europe, America, and India, and limit to the barest minimum all the unnecessary medical tourism that people embark on. Sorry, my dear, this is, well, let me also mention that we have revitalized the College of Nursing Sciences Uburu, upgraded the College of Health Sciences and Technology Uburu, and also we contain epidemics, Lassa fever, cholera outbreak, COVID-19 and others. And also we control the 3 major diseases, tropical diseases, including malaria, tuberculosis, and HIV/AIDS. And for want of time, I don't know